9 out of 10 hospital infections are transmitted by hands. In our daily life, we constantly remove bacteria and other microorganisms from surfaces. Without being aware of it, we constantly touch our face, thus transmitting germs which result in health problems and skin impurities. Once applied, Liquid Guard transforms the surface into a permanently antimicrobial zone. This provides protection from smear infections and gives the consumer the impression of well-being and hygiene. Liquid Guard can be used on all surfaces which get into contact with our hands or our skin, i.e. toilet lids, door handles, handrails, keyboards, touchscreens, armrests, instruments, textiles, and medical applications. Up to 2024, the market for antimicrobial coatings is expected to increase up to 7.2 billion. How it works? Liquid Guard creates an invisible physical barrier to destroy microbes. Protected surfaces act as a layer of swords to defend against microbial growth. The positively charged atom of nitrogen attracts negatively charged cell membranes and punctures all microbes. This physical kill terminates the life of the microbe. This effect has been shown to be non-mutagenic in opposite to other active substances. Our Liquid Guard can be used by medical institutions, public authorities, cleaning companies, i.e. professional user, but also end consumer, as the product is able to be applied very easily, simply by being wiped upon the surface. After a safety curing time of 6 hours, the antimicrobial function is fully efficient. We are creating a safer and more beautiful household and work environment.